Hello everyone, this is our electronics project. Here we made an RFID based scanner where we can scan your ID card and enroll yourself into your class, give attendance. And now we are going to show you the demonstration how to make this RFID scanner. So these are the components that we need to make our RFID smart scanner. Here we have made a box where we have cut off a part and made it transparent through which our components will be visible, and we need our RFID tags and scanner ID cards which we will scan to update our database, and our power supply will be a power bank through which we will give the power to our node MCU. Here is our scanner which we will use to scan the ID cards, and our node MCU where we have updated Java socket server code which will allow it to connect to our Java server with built-in Wi-Fi and update the cards in our database. So now we are going to connect our node MCU and scanner together and connect the node MCU with our power source. So first of all, we are going to connect our node MCU. Here we are going to take the SDA and SD of the scanner and connect it with the node MCU D4. And after that we are going to connect the scanner SCK part with our node MCU D5. Then we are going to connect our MOSI of the scanner with our D7 of the node MCU. After that we are going to connect the MISO with node MCU D6, and then the RSD of the scanner is going to go with D8 of the node MCU. Then we are going to connect G of the scanner with the ground of a node MCU. And finally we are going to connect 3.3 volt part of this scanner with the node MCU's 3.3 volt. And now we are going to connect our power source with the node MCU. Here, after connecting the power source, you can see that a light is blinking, which means our RFID scanner is now functional. And now we will scan our ID card and it will work just perfectly. Now we will just place all the components in our box and make it look even better. So thank you everyone for staying with us.